In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up your gradebook in 3 basic steps. Step 1 is identifying your gradebook structure. Step 2, you will create your groups. And Step 3, you will create your assignments. Your gradebook should match your syllabus. So grab your syllabus, click on pause if you need to. Look at your syllabus. Are you using points or weighted grading? Here is an example of weighted grading. Each assignment group has a weight or percent assigned to it. You can see quizzes are worth 10%. This means whether you have 1 quiz or 1,000 quizzes, they will only contribute to 10% of the grade. This method gives you flexibility if you want to add in assignments later or change the points without worrying about skewing the assignment group's contribution to the overall grade. Here is an example of grading by points. Every assignment group has a set amount of points. Even though the total points for each assignment group represents a certain percent of the total grade, it isn't confined to that percent. For example, 3 homework projects are worth 120 points of the 610, or 20% of the grade. If you were to add another 40-point project, then homework is now worth 160 of the 650 points, or 25% of the total grade, thus skewing the other assignment groups as well. You often see this type of grading in more refined classes where assignments do not change. The next step is to create your assignment groups. This is a convenient way to organize or group all of those assignments. You will also be able to do some grading rules such as drop the lowest score in the quizzes assignment group. You will need assignment groups if you're awaiting grades. Now let's look at how to add assignment groups in Canvas. Select Assignments in the navigation pane. This is what controls the gradebook. Every assignment created will create a column in your gradebook. The first time you go in, there's a default group called Assignments. You can either delete it or rename it, or if you have a group called Assignments, just leave it. To add a new group, click on Plus Group. Give your group a name. If you're going to be using weighted grades, you will do this in another step. Click on Save. Add the rest of your groups. If you want to weight your assignment groups, click on the gear to the right. Here, you would click on Weight Final Grade based on assignment groups, and then you would add in your percents. They should equal 100. Once you've created your assignment groups, you will now add assignments to them. The basics are choosing an assignment type, giving your assignment a name, enter points, submission type. Let's look at how to add assignments to your assignment groups in Canvas. To add assignments to your assignment group, click on the plus sign to the right of the assignment group that you want the assignment to reside in. Keep the type as assignment, unless you truly are adding an online quiz or online discussion. Name your assignment. You can add a due date if you like. Be sure to add points. And save and publish. Every time you do this, you're adding a new column in your gradebook. If you want to give your students the option to submit this assignment online in case they can't make it to class, click on More Options and choose Online under the submission type. Here are some important tips to keep in mind. Be sure to assign a 0 grade to students who have not turned in an assignment by the due date. Otherwise, their overall grade will be inflated since it's only calculating graded assignments. If you want to give your students the option to submit an assignment online in case they can't make it to class, be sure to select that option. The last tip is to be sure you assign points in the assignment. Otherwise, adding points to a 0 assignment will function as extra credit. For more information on grading, please watch the other tutorials or click on the Help menu within Canvas to visit the Canvas guides.